Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove Microsoft account in Windows 10. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. To remove the Microsoft account from your PC, we just need to open setting first. So for that, just hit right click on your start button, then go to settings and now click on accounts. And here you can see I'm using my Microsoft account to run my PC and which we are going to remove. So for that we just need to click on sign in with a local account instead, and here you can see my account is this one and which we are going to remove. So for that we just need to click on next. So here we need to type our password or whatever pin you have set it to your account, so just type it here. After finishing that, these options will appear and here we need to type the username. So let's suppose I type here LearnLite, then set your password, whatever password you want to set, and you can add the hint as well. So once you do that, just click on next and now just click on sign out and finish. So you can see the PC is now restarting. Once your PC restarts, you will see that your Microsoft account is now removed from your PC. So let me show you that in my PC. So let me open the settings, and if I click on accounts, you can see the PC is now set on local account and the Microsoft account is now removed from here. But in future, if you want to sign in with the Microsoft account again, you can just click here and repeat the same process. But yeah, that's it. This is how you can remove Microsoft account in Windows 10. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.